that too.
Yeah.
But he always
Seems
says
like it.
things like, "Hey, what's going to happen? People are going to ask me to. They're going to start bringing their computers. You want me to sign my hard drive? Or
Right,
I
man.
mean, like what's going on?
Yeah, like what the hell's exactly, man?
So So a little bit more about Commonwealth. So you got this gig coming up in Sayreville on November 2nd. You're playing with Non-Point.
Right.
You guys are going on. Well, the show starts at 5 p.m.
Doors open at 5. We should probably be on second. So I figured that puts us probably around 6:30, something around like that. Maybe close to 7.
And you want to give away a couple tickets?
Yeah, man.
Can
Let's
you do
do it. Absolutely. Let's do it.
You got a trivia question, maybe, or you just want to give away tickets?
Let's just
Keep a Kiss question, maybe? Kiss trivia question?
that'd be cool.
Since you're the Kiss aficionado?
Let's do that. Should we do, man, what's a good Kiss question? The names of the band members would be something a little too easy, you think? That'd be too easy for people?
Well, we do want to give away the tickets.
Yeah, that's true. So you know what? Let's do it. Because, I know some deep stuff,
Well, I know.
So, let's do, let's say Gene Simmons.
His real name?
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll take a couple different variations on that, because some people call him this and that, or that and that.
Right.
So,
we'll take a couple different variations.
Right, and then I will give you a pair of tickets to go check out Commonwealth and Non-Point on Sunday,
Starland Ballroom,
November
Sayreville.
2nd, 5 p.m. doors. You guys Commonwealth hitting about 6:30.
Yep, probably around then.
Get there
Gemini
early.
Syndrome is also on the show. Islander.
Mm-hmm.
All great bands. I've checked them all out. They're all great bands, and this is actually a tour that they're all doing right now. Hopefully, maybe after this show, we can hop on for the
Direct
rest
support?
of it. That'd be
Direct tour
great.
support?
Yeah.
And how about websites where people can stay abreast of what's going on in your world, my friend?
The Facebook, facebook.com/CommonwealthNJ. Twitter, at CommonwealthNJ. Reverb Nation, reverbnation.com/CommonwealthNation. And you guys can always email us too personally if you want at CommonwealthNation@yahoo.com.
Excellent. Well, listen, Christian, thank you so much for coming down, buddy.
Thank you for having me, man.
And we're going to play something from the No Rest for the Weary EP called Caught in Between.
Awesome, brother.
Now, I just want to remind everybody that we got someone from the Empty Hearts, which is that great new band with Clem Burke and Elliot Easton.
Absolutely.
They're going to be on the show. We're going to play the track at commercials, but either Clem or Elliot Easton. But, once again, everybody get down to the Starland Ballroom Sunday, November 2nd. Check out Commonwealth along with Non-Point and buy their EP, support what they're doing. Great band. And, Christian, I can't thank you enough, man, for coming down. We'll have to do this again soon.
Absolutely, bro. Thanks for having me again, brother. Seriously.
Anytime, my friend. Commonwealth here in the Electric Ballroom.
Hey, this is Christian Carson from Commonwealth, and you're listening to the Electric Ballroom with Keith Roll.
Well, I know now.
MVP, No Rest for the Weary, caught in between. And congratulations to the winners that are going to go be
Yes, man.
be checking out Commonwealth.
You guys will get a signed poster, I think, with that too, right, Keith?
Yeah, well, once again, this Sunday, November 2nd.
Right, November 2nd, Starland Ballroom, Sayreville, New Jersey, with Nonpoint, Commonwealth, Gemini Syndrome, and Islander.
That's it. That's right. And the people, the answer to the question was we accepted Gene Klein.
Gene Klein, Hamwitz.
Heimwitz,
which was another one.
Heim Klein. Any of those
was cool.
So congratulations to the winners that are going to be at the Starland Ballroom on Sunday, November 2nd. Commonwealth along with Nonpoint, Gemini Syndrome, and Islander. Going to hit commercials. When we come back, I'm going to be joined by one of the members of the Empty Hearts. I don't know who's going to be calling me, either Elliot Easton or Clem Burke. Christian, thanks again for coming down, brother.
Man, thank you, brother. Take care, man.
Hitting commercials. We'll be right back. Don't touch that dial. It's the Electric Ballroom.
Hello, this is Lucy Blackmore.
Hello, this is Tony Iommi.
Hi, we're the Donnas, and you're listening to the Electric Ballroom with Amy and Pete on 95.9 The Rat.
Want to go see Commonwealth with Nonpoint at the Starland Ballroom? That's going down on November the 2nd. A pair of tickets right now, 732-681-3890. They could be yours. Call us up right now for tickets to go see Commonwealth and Nonpoint. Starland Ballroom, November the 2nd. 732-681-3890. The Electric Ballroom, Sunday nights, 8 to 10. It's brought to you by Elite Smoke Shop. Now smoking with 5 area locations. Hit them up in Howell, Oakhurst, Brick, Red Bank, and Englishtown. Or online at EliteSmokeShopNJ.com.
Have you seen the top 12? Check them out today, and then vote for your favorite.
It's the Rat's $5,000 Calendar Girl search. Vote now. In the finals, each of the top 12 will appear in the Rat's 2015 calendar and wins $500.